Yes, so the situation in Ukraine is quite horrifying. So there were many stray dogs that have been killed, especially for the Football Championship 2012. We think it's about 150,000 stray dogs and cats that have been particularly burned in crematories on wheels alive, that have been put into mass graves, particularly alive, and that have been shot and poisoned. Since 6 months we are doing, together with friends like Andrea, an international protest against this crime against animals. And since then the situation has improved a bit in the last 6 months. We have protested in front of the president of Ukraine, Mr. Yanukovych. We have brought 500,000 of petition signatures from all over the world that protested against killing of stray dogs in Ukraine. We have sent our veterinary team to Lugansk, to Donetsk and to Kiev, and we have done neuter and release programs to tell the people that killing is not a solution. The solution is to take responsibility and to neuter and release. We have also educated the Ukrainian veterinaries in new modern operation methods. We have built a veterinary clinic in Kiev for about 50 stray dogs. We also have spoken with many politicians, with the mayors of the cities, to stop killing, and we have started education programs in schools to educate children in contact with animals, to create a more educated generation for the future, because animal protection starts in the mind. And so there were a lot of activities that we have done, and we have established the first TV show in Ukrainian television at channel 1+1 that brings stray dogs for adoption. Before there was no television program that adopted stray dogs and cats, so this was a success. And today we had a very big day at Andrea. We had this great Barbos Pokal, and Barbos Pokal is an event that deals with stray dogs and cats, or formerly stray dogs and cats, and they are honored in different certifications, and it's an award that should inspire people to adopt stray dogs and not only races or buy some from the breeders. And today we had also a historical moment. We, from the European Animal and Protection Association, the ETN, we gave the first Animal Protection Award in the history of Ukraine to 10 persons, because we want to support the animal protectors in Ukraine and make a significant statement to the society that protection of animals is absolutely worthwhile work, and it's absolutely honorable what these people are doing, and they are an example for their society here. And
Thanks.
I'm very glad to know Andrea and to know that there are some more people in this world who fight for the rights for animals.
Thanks. Thank you.
Molto grazie.
Molte grazie. Alla principessa piace molto l'italiano e parla spagnolo, tedesco e inglese. Io parlo italiano, basta.
Basta.